Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your consulting services with LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. Start by optimizing your LinkedIn profile to reflect your consulting expertise. Ensure your headline clearly defines your area of specialization. Add a professional photo that conveys trust and approachability. Craft a compelling summary that highlights your unique value proposition. Include relevant keywords in your profile to enhance visibility in search results. Showcase your skills and endorsements prominently to build credibility. Next, develop a content strategy focused on delivering value to your audience. Identify topics that resonate with your target clients and demonstrate your knowledge. Create a content calendar to maintain consistency in your posting schedule. Share articles, insights, and case studies that showcase your expertise. Engage with your network by commenting on posts and participating in discussions. Join relevant LinkedIn groups to connect with potential clients and peers. Post actively in these groups to establish yourself as a thought leader. Use LinkedIn's advanced search feature to identify and reach out to your ideal clients. Craft personalized connection requests that outline the mutual benefits of connecting. Once connected, nurture these relationships by sending valuable resources or insights. After establishing rapport, consider proposing a brief consultation or discussion. Follow up with potential clients who have engaged with your content or posts. Create a strong call to action in your posts to encourage inquiries about your services. Utilize LinkedIn Analytics to assess engagement and refine your content strategy. Monitor trends in your industry and adjust your messaging accordingly. Develop case studies showcasing successful projects that illustrate your impact. Network with other consultants to share referral opportunities and insights. Consider leveraging LinkedIn ads to reach a broader audience for your services. Continue to evaluate and iterate your approach as you learn what resonates with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.